Okay, so quite often when you're just beginning out in the cake world, you're not quite sure how to do things. And one thing a lot of people do is they'll maybe just buy white sugar paste and colour it up from scratch. It's time consuming and messy, so what I always recommend is just get some primary colours or just a few selection of colours, and then you can actually mix whites through the colours to get lighter colours, or two colours together to get darker colours. So just always try to have a nice selection of colours around. So for instance, if I was looking for a pale pink, it's very obvious that I just want to take a little bit of a dark pink colour and mix it through the white. So if you just mix that in. Now as you're mixing, you might think, well, that's it all mixed through. If I just get to a point like that. So you think, well, that's it ready. But the only way to find out if it's properly mixed through is to cut through the middle. And when you open it up, you can see it's definitely not mixed through. Okay, so all we want to do is then just sort of mix again. Okay, and then try again. So you can see they're definitely getting better. It's getting a little bit sticky just because I'm using my hands, warming it up. So a little bit more icing sugar. And just mix it again. Okay, and there we go. So just cut through, and you can see nice and clean. And we've got two different colours there, just mixing some white, some pink into the white.